What's up everyone, welcome to Petrolhead's Paradise. As per the title says, we are going to the Autocar performance show. I've just parked my car here and I've got a new lens, and usually I used to record on this zoom lens which is 18, and now I've got a new lens which is 10 to 18 mm lens, and this is the effect. So guys, check this out. This is the effect of the 10 to 18 mm wide angle lens, and we are going to shoot everything in the inside and outside. Let's go quickly inside and see what all these guys have over there.
I've been waiting for the world to spin my way. I've been waiting for a glance at the sun, and I've been waiting for the world to spin my way. I've been waiting for a chance, and I think it's finally come. 'Cause after all, I don't care what they do, and I don't care what they know, and I don't care what they say about me now. 'Cause no one can touch me now. I'm just flying by. Yeah, I'm just flying by, away from them, and no one can see me now. I'm miles above you, don't care what they're saying below, 'cause I'm miles above, I'm miles above you.
The carbon package on this car is killing me. Look at the carbon lip spoiler, and even the carbon different accents on the mirrors and the door handles as well. Let's check it out. These are the carbon door handles, guys. Just believe it or not, and even the carbon door mirrors. The carbon fiber, as you know, is the jewel of supercar industry, and there is a lot of carbon on this place. This is the Audi RS5. This is the latest model, and I have heard this particular car on the highways, and this sounding amazing. The twin turbo V6 sounds so cool, but I still prefer the previous V8.
And I met this guy, Petrolhead's Paradise. If you don't know, do subscribe to his channel. Check out his channel, he makes some amazing cool videos. Nice to meet you, sir.
Thanks, man.
He's selling his three vloggers
in one place. This is the BMW M2, and in my opinion, this is the best car from the show. We were so excitingly waiting for BMW M2 to enter in India, and finally it's here in flesh. Do you feel that this is a better car or a Ford Mustang? Let me know.
No one can touch me now. I'm just flying by. Yeah, I'm just flying by, away from them, and no one can see me now.
Yeah.
I'm your subscriber.
Yeah.
Can I give you a selfie?
Yes. So guys, times for my friend's car. This is the Limitless SJP Sun 300 CX. I have made a couple of videos with this car before. The exhaust sounds popping loud, and even the Sam's Barracuda. This is the real Hot Wheels car, guys. What do you think?